Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to use two USB ports at the same time when you don't have space to fit another USB. Example, here you can see one USB port is connected to the external hard disk, whereas the other USB port I am not able to use it. That's because the pen drive that I have in hand, if I try to plug in, the outer shell interacts with the one the external hard disk is attached to. So for this reason, you can either use a 4-port USB hub like this I have in hand. You can buy any one reputed brand. One I have is Belkin. Instead, you can buy the one that I have in hand now. This is primarily called as the male to female USB adapter. This is available in all IT accessory stores. So now, if I try to attach this one, it goes in easily, and I can use the other end that you can see here to attach my USB, which makes my work much easier. When tested, this functions well as it should. Only thing you need to see is, if available, go for USB 3. Go for USB 3 connector. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this useful, I would highly recommend you to buy this one, even if you don't use it on a day-to-day basis. Thanks for watching.